Hey, Team Kukla here again at Tellico Village. Got another lakefront listing. This one's awesome. Awesome.
Beautiful house, right in the Tanasi neighborhood where you can golf or boat any day of the week.
With 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, 412 Tanasi Way in Tellico Village offers over 3,900 square feet of luxurious living area. This is your starting point to nearby golf, and you're right on the water for year-round lake fun. From the expansive great room to the master bedroom, most offer tremendous lake views. Stylish crown molding and custom window treatments set the tone, beginning in the dining room, all on hardwood flooring. This kitchen is a chef's dream with custom appointments throughout, especially as part of the cabinetry, center island, and all state-of-the-art appliances. Here's another lake view. An intimate breakfast nook facing out bay windows and beneath an unusual gazebo-style ceiling. And functionality is at the heart of this home, in the laundry area, part of the multi-purpose room. Need more privacy? Settle into this discreet executive office. 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, more than enough comfort and privacy for every family member, from the smallest to the master, another lake view. From the back deck, look out over the ultimate lake view and your personal boat dock. There's so much to show, you'll truly appreciate your next home at 412 Tanasi Way in Tellico Village when you see it for yourself.
Thank you for viewing this home. Reach out to us for your own private tour.
And check us out online, teamkukla.com.